Good afternoon, everyone. This is Murray coming to you from Ol'Reds Garage. We have a different project today that's going to allow me to lift heavy objects in my garage. So take a look. First, I identified the area that I want to cut and hang the hoist, measured twice, cut once, and there's the opening. It's the same size as the original opening for the attic there, but in the right spot to lift in the middle of my bag. This opening will be trimmed and a door put in like the other opening so that it looks aesthetically pleasing. Next, I install the heavy-duty strut up in the ceiling, and following that, I hang the hoist and plug it in, and let's test it. Well, so it works. This happens to be a 440-pound limit hoist, which will be perfect for the kind of work that I'm doing. First up is to remove a bed from a truck frame. So first, I have removed the 8 bolts that hold the bed to the frame, and then I install some straps and lift, and it works. I love it. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Ol'Reds Garage channel. Good day.